Listen to the Amur leopard growl. The Amur tiger growls so menacingly. This is the roar of the rare snow leopard. The population of these predators in Russia is 75. Listen to the roar of the Russian brown bear. Listen to the roar of the most dangerous polar bear. These are the sounds Russian wolves make. Listen to the sound of the forest cat, called Lynx, in Russia. It is better not to meet a wild boar in Russia. These are the sounds it makes. Thanks for watching.